Hello, and thank you for your support. This video is being made to help you understand the techniques that we are using throughout our instructional videos. Throughout the videos, you will see different tools and techniques being used. I am Nieves Alvarez, and I will be narrating throughout the videos. First thing I would like to talk about is the adjustable clipper. You will hear us talking about open, in between, and close. These are adjustments made by the clipper arm on the side of the adjustable clipper. Adjustable clippers come with two blades, surgical blade and a beveled blade. Throughout our videos, you will see us mostly using the surgical blade. The difference between the surgical blade and the beveled blade is that one blade has a slight hump on it and the other has a flat blade on it. This means one will cut closer than the other, and the surgical blade, because it has a flat blade on it, will cut closer than the beveled blade because it has that slight hump. You will also see us use a metal detachable clipper. This machine has no arm on it, so it cannot adjust. It adjusts by changing the metal detachable guards. You will also see us using a trimmer with a T-blade on it. Most trimmers cut to the same length. You will also see us using a straight razor. The way the razor works that we use is it takes single blades. The blade, however, comes in two pieces. It has to be folded in half and then ripped down the center, therefore splitting it in two. You only use one of the pieces. The blades are made with special grooves. These grooves fit right into the blade holder. You simply place it in the grooves and slide it back in. Then your straight razor is ready to be used. You will also see this electric shaver being used. This gets the hair really bald. It is equivalent to shaving against the grain with a straight razor. We will also be using different cutting shears or scissors. Some of them will have wider teeth than others. These are used for texturizing the hair. Different teeth on the scissors give different textures to the hair. You will also see different brushes and combs being used. From left to right is a vent brush, a round brush, a flat top comb, another type of flat top comb, all-purpose comb, and a barber comb. Throughout our education, you will hear the term band blending. Band blending is a technique that I developed through years of trial and error. Basically, what it consists of is creating a 2-finger width band around the head from temple to temple. What this does is it creates a guideline on top of the band and a guideline at the bottom of the band, which gives you space to work while blending. It also gives you an idea of placement. You know where you're placing each guard and each different adjustment you're making with the clipper itself. We will also cover graphic hair designs. Our designs consist of Z's and swirls connected together, followed by backward Z's and swirls connected together. Basically, what we want you to know is that we're connecting Z's and swirls together and using that as a pattern. However, this is not the only part of our graphic hair designs. I actually developed a technique called double lining. And what that is tracing over, under, and in between your primary design. What this does is change your design. It gives it more of a three-dimensional effect. Observe the example here. If this was hair, you would be carving a Z and a swirl and a backward Z into the hair. Now when I retrace over, under, and in between, see how my simple Z and swirl pattern starts taking more of a three-dimensional form? So in perspective, once you've learned our basic graphic hair design pattern and apply my double lining techniques, you could then start adding your own design and make it your own art. You will see us using clipper over comb techniques. When you see this, what you want to do is bring your comb in, pull the hair out, and cut right across. This technique will assist you in blending shorter lengths into longer lengths. You will also see shear over comb techniques. This works the same way as clipper over comb, only that you're using a shear or texturizing shear. You will see freehand shape up techniques also. This consists of shaping the hair out without actually using a guard and using a steady hand to create the shape and the effect that you'd like to achieve. You should now have a better understanding of how my techniques work and the tools needed to execute these techniques. I'm Nieves Alvarez. Thank you for your support.